Hey, it's Anna here. Ever had that feeling that someone's eyes are on you but you're not quite sure? Today we are on a mission to unveil those almost invisible signs that a woman is totally checking you out. Now I'm talking about sneaky, subtle cues that often fly right under the radar. So, if you are curious to discover when you might be the centre of someone's attention without even realising it, stick with me. By the end of this, you will be an expert at catching those hidden signals. Ready to uncover these 30 telltale signs? Let's dive right in. Foot tapping. If you notice a woman tapping her foot subtly or in a rhythmic manner while stealing glances in your direction, it could be a sign of nervous excitement or anticipation. This subconscious behavior indicates that she is likely checking you out and trying to catch your attention. Playing with jewelry. When a woman twirls or adjusts her necklace, bracelet, or rings while making eye contact with you, it's a subtle yet intentional gesture. It suggests that she's not only interested in you but also wants to draw your attention to her adornments. It's flirtatious behavior that signifies her desire to be noticed. Lip licking. If a woman runs her tongue over her lips or applies lip balm while looking at you, it's a clear indication of her attraction. This action draws attention to her lips, which are considered sensual and alluring. It's an instinctive behavior that signifies her subconscious desire to engage in a more intimate or romantic interaction with you. Raised chin. When a woman tilts her head slightly up and raises her chin in your presence, it's a subtle but powerful gesture of interest. This body language conveys a sense of confidence and openness, indicating that she finds you intriguing and wants to appear more appealing to you. Subtle mirroring. If you notice a woman subtly mirroring your breathing patterns or mimicking your gestures in a discreet manner, it's a strong sign that she's checking you out. Mirroring is a subconscious behavior that indicates a connection and rapport between two individuals. By mimicking your actions, she is unconsciously creating a sense of unity and compatibility. Slightly parted lips. When a woman's lips are slightly parted as she looks at you, it's a subconscious signal of attraction and desire. Parted lips draw attention to the mouth, which is often associated with sensuality and intimacy. It signifies her subconscious longing for a deeper connection and hints at the possibility of romantic interest. Crossed legs. When a woman crosses her legs in a way that draws attention to them while facing you, it's a subtle yet intentional move to showcase her femininity and attractiveness. This body language gesture indicates that she wants you to notice her legs and find her appealing. Slightly turned body. If a woman turns her body towards you but not completely, creating a more subtle angle, it suggests her interest and desire to engage with you. This partial body orientation indicates that she is focused on you and wants to establish a connection while still maintaining a hint of mystery and allure. Playful or shy glances. When a woman quickly looks away or lowers her gaze when you catch her staring, it's a clear sign of interest, combined with a touch of bashfulness. This behavior signifies that she is intrigued by you but may feel a bit self-conscious or shy. It's a subtle invitation for you to approach her and engage with her in a playful manner. Adjusting posture. When a woman stands up taller or elongates her neck in your presence, it's a conscious effort to enhance her physical appearance and attractiveness. By adjusting her posture, she aims to capture your attention and convey a sense of confidence and grace, making herself more noticeable in your eyes. Mirror and glass behavior. If you notice a woman using mirrors, reflective surfaces, or windows to discreetly check you out, it signifies her interest and curiosity. This behavior allows her to steal glances at you without being too obvious or direct. It's a way for her to assess your presence and appearance while maintaining a level of subtlety. Slow movements. When a woman moves in a slower and more deliberate manner when you are within her field of vision, it indicates that she is paying closer attention to you. By intentionally slowing down her movements, she creates an opportunity to savor the moment and prolong the interaction. It also suggests a heightened focus on you and a desire to make a lasting impression. Whispering to friends. If you observe a woman leaning in and whispering to her friends while occasionally glancing in your direction, it's a strong indication that they are discussing you. This behavior suggests that you've captured her attention and become a topic of interest among her social circle, potentially sparking curiosity and intrigue. Sudden laughter. When a woman bursts into laughter or giggles upon your entrance or in response to your witty comment, it reveals her genuine amusement and positive emotional response to your presence. Even if the laughter is unrelated to the ongoing conversation, it signifies that she finds you entertaining and enjoyable to be around. A light touch of the lips. If a woman lightly touches her lips with her fingers or lightly bites her lower lip while looking at you, it's a flirtatious and subconscious gesture. It draws attention to her lips, which are considered sensual and alluring. This behavior indicates her attraction and desire to engage in a more intimate and romantic connection with you. Playing with objects. Now, when a woman fidgets with objects like pens, straws, or glasses, it's a subtle yet effective way of drawing attention to her hands and fingers. This behavior indicates her desire to engage you visually and to showcase her dexterity, while also creating an opportunity for playful interaction or conversation. Turning attention towards you. If a woman interrupts her ongoing conversation with others to redirect her attention towards you, it demonstrates a clear shift in interest. By prioritizing your presence and actively engaging with you, she signals that you have caught her attention and that she wants to establish a connection or continue a conversation with you. The head tilt. When a woman tilts her head to the side whilst maintaining eye contact, it's a non-verbal display of interest and curiosity. This gesture conveys her attentiveness and engagement in the conversation. The head tilt also suggests a sense of openness and receptiveness, indicating her willingness to listen and understand you better. Grooming others. When a woman subtly fixes the appearance of her friends or acquaintances while intermittently glancing at you, it's a sign that she wants to appear helpful and caring. By focusing on enhancing the appearance of those around her, she indirectly showcases her own nurturing qualities and subtly communicates her desire to be noticed and valued by you. Slightly open body language. If a woman keeps her arms slightly away from her body, creating a more open and inviting posture, this indicates her comfort and willingness to engage with you. This body language gesture suggests that she is receptive to your presence and desires a closer connection. It's an invitation for you to approach and interact with her more easily. Secret glances. When a woman uses her peripheral vision to steal quick glances at you when she thinks you're not paying attention, it reveals her hidden interest and intrigue. This behavior indicates that she is discreetly observing and assessing you, attempting to gather more information or maintain a level of mystery. It's a sign that you have piqued her curiosity and she wants to learn more about you. Light laughter at your mistakes. When a woman laughs or chuckles at your mistakes, it signifies her genuine fondness and interest in you. Now, instead of mocking you, her laughter is an endearing response that shows she finds your imperfections charming and endearing. It's a subtle way for her to create a light-hearted and playful connection with you. Fiddling with a straw or a stirrer. If a woman twirls a straw or stirrer in her drink while glancing at you, it's playful and flirtatious behavior. By drawing attention to her actions and creating a visual display, she is subtly signaling her interest and inviting you to engage in a fun and light-hearted interaction. It's a non-verbal invitation to join in the playfulness. More engaged online presence. When a woman frequently interacts with your social media posts, shares your content, or tags you in relevant posts, it's a clear indication of her interest and desire to connect with you digitally. By actively engaging with your online presence, she is seeking ways to stay connected and show her support. It's a modern expression of her attention and investment into your life. Playful competition. When a woman initiates playful competitions or challenges with you, it's a delightful way to create opportunities for interaction and connection. By engaging in friendly rivalry, she seeks to build a shared experience and foster a sense of camaraderie, while also showcasing her vibrant and engaging personality. Adjusting clothing. If a woman subtly adjusts or smooths out her clothing, particularly around areas she wants to draw attention to, it's a strategic move to capture your gaze. This non-verbal gesture signifies her desire to appear more attractive and alluring, subtly directing your attention to her physical features in a way that suggests she wants to be noticed and appreciated. Subtle flattery. When a woman compliments you indirectly or finds subtle ways to praise your accomplishments or attributes, it demonstrates her admiration and interest. By choosing subtle flattery, she conveys her attraction and appreciation without being overly direct, allowing the compliments to serve as conversation starters and opportunities for deeper connection and engagement. It's her way of showing that she notices and values your qualities. Prolonged proximity. If a woman consistently finds reasons to be close to you, whether it's during group activities or social gatherings, it's a strong indication of her interest. By actively seeking your company and maintaining close physical proximity, she aims to create opportunities for deeper interactions and connections, demonstrating her desire to be in your presence. Excited reactions. When a woman shows heightened enthusiasm and excitement when you are around, even for mundane conversations or events, it reveals her genuine enjoyment of your company. Her animated reactions indicates that being in your presence sparks a positive and energizing response, highlighting her strong interest in and emotional connection with you. Subtle scenting. If a woman discreetly applies perfume or fragrance lotion, leaving a lingering scent in your vicinity, it's a deliberate act to enhance her presence and leave a lasting impression. By subtly scenting herself, she aims to create a sensory association and evoke positive emotions when you are around. It's a subtle way to engage your sense of smell and create a deeper connection through a shared olfactory experience. Mastered reading her subtle cues, discover her undisclosed sexual appeals, or learn about the 500 times attraction boost. Which revelation awaits you next? Loved our insights? Press like, dive into the discussion, and keep that knowledge flowing with a subscription.